Hello folks, welcome to another Yardie TV shorts, and today I have my pot on the stove and I am making my pineapple skin drink. Yes, you know my original pineapple skin drink went viral, and since then I've been doing my best to make sure that I have this in my home almost every single month. All right, this pineapple that I'm using today, we washed it as usual and made sure that it was cleaned, scrubbed, and then we took the pineapples out and we had that for our regular fruit snack and stuff. So I put pineapple skins, and this pineapple skin is organic, guys. This was grown in the neighbor's yard next door. So this was organic pineapple, not from the store. As a matter of fact, let me show you. I have one more here that we picked from the neighbor's yard. So this is our neighbor's pineapple right here. And let me tell you about sweet. Super duper sweet. I cannot believe how sweet this is. All right, so put that over there. We're gonna make that into fruit, and that's gonna be the next pineapple juice. All right, so what I have in my pot now is I have this is lemongrass, we have ginger, and we have our pineapple skins. All right, and then I'm gonna add some cardamom, because you have to make this thing nice and spicy. So I'm putting about 4 cardamom pods. Yeah, and the next thing I'm putting is whole cloves. Yes man, you've never had pineapple skin juice or pineapple skin tea or pineapple skin drink, depending on how you want to have it, with whole cloves. And I promise you guys, especially for the men, that is good. Very, very good. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna title this one the best pineapple skin juice for men, because as you can see, I put up a ton of whole cloves. And this one is also gonna be sweetened with bee pollen. Yeah, I'm just gonna dump some bee pollen in there, and that's gonna be how we sweeten this one. So I'm gonna allow this to steep. The stove is relatively on low, yeah, and we're just gonna allow it to come up to a, not just under a boil. You don't want to boil it, you just want it to steep. And so you can just cover the pot, and I'll show you the finished drink when it's done. All right, stick and stay. So I also went to the back of the yard and picked myself some Vervine or blue Vervain. This is gonna be one piece of impacting tea. All right, so I'm just gonna add a couple leaves, couple of my Vervain leaf, sure, to my, wow, it smell nice, eh? So the blue Vervain is just gonna steep. Again, everything you see, it's just under the boiling point, and you can leave that for hours until your tea gets to that. Guys, I cannot explain how good this smells right now. It smells so good. It smells all herby and spicy and wow, just wow. It's doing its thing. Yeah. One more thing we have to put in the tea, because we're not stop. We're overdo it. This tea is very overpowered. This is rose ginseng. Yeah, we're gonna put this in it. So just pull it, and yes, I mean, I don't business one vex. So my drink was nicely boiled, and I put some lime in it, or lemon in it, and I put it in the bottle. And this is just a regular bottle, guys, and I bottle it, and I have this whenever I'm thirsty. I just pour myself a glass. All right, so I just use a little bit of sugar, just a little bit of sugar, because I had I did not use the bee pollen as I originally stated, because it would have made it a little bit on the cloudy side. And so I just use a little bit of sugar, and this is the end result, guys. So there you have it, my pineapple skins, ginger, with all my herbs and teas and everything. And guys, you can't beat this, cannot beat this. Try this in your neck of the woods, yeah, Yardie TV, and put some spice in it too and see how it turn out. Remember me tell you. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about Yardie TV. That's all we do the thing around here. And there you have it, guys, our delicious and very, very nutritious immune boosting drink. Yeah, cardamom, whole cloves, ginger, pineapple skins, tea, ginseng tea. And I tell you, this is what you call fortified. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend about it. Yardie TV is on, and this is how we make our lemon and ginger and pineapple skin drink. Yeah, that's what the thing said.